Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've been in the vegetable bar and the sun is glorious, absolutely glorious. But check this out, sweet corn. I've got no words, it looks amazing. It looks absolutely fantastic. Grown from seed. It's now almost 6 foot tall, taller than me. I'm very super pleased. Don't know what's going to happen. I give it a feed every week. I'm hoping that we get some sweet corn in a while. I'll let you know. But for today we're going to be doing some cooking and I need some parsnips and a bit of beetroot. I would love to harvest some carrots, but they are just, well, maybe this one. Ooh, maybe that one. Super pleased with the beetroot this year. It's done brilliant. Lovely big bulbs in the ground. And I've just been taking one every time we need it as opposed to taking the whole lot. So far we've had about 5 and I'm going to take another 2 today. I've been dying to pull up this beetroot because he's such a weird shape. My goodness, look at that. It looks more like a potato. Wonderful. We've got a cluster of 3 here. I'm just going to take the smaller one out. I'm going to take this smaller one out and leave the other 2 bigger ones. Oh my goodness, he's not as small as I thought. Oh, fantastic. Wonderful. Now, I either need 1 really big carrot or 2 smaller ones, and some of these are really tiny. I'm not going to touch them, I'll just leave them. But I think this one, if I can get to it, I think this one might maybe be ready. This carrot looks to be ready, but I'm not 100% sure, so we're going to find out. Oh, that's okay. 2 of them, please. Right, who's next? Let's have a wee go. Oh, they're nice long straight carrots, aren't they? Oh, I'm really pleased with that. They look great. I'm just going to leave the rest to get bigger and stronger. I also need a couple of parsnips. Again, either 1 really big one or a couple of small ones. Now, I've taken a couple from here already and they were just fantastic. So I'm going to have a dig around. It's an absolute jungle in here. I'm going to have a dig around, see if I can get the camera in and harvest another couple. There she goes. I think he's ready. Gosh, I just don't know. Well, there's only one way to find out. That's looking good. Oh, they're so much better than last year. That's just fabulous. I'm so pleased with that. Right. Oh, we'll just pull it for the base and worry about the rest later. Oh, he's a big one. Oh my word! Oh my god, is it really going to be that big? My goodness. That would be unbelievable if it was that big all the way down. Holy smokes. Look at the size of that parsnip. Oh my god, I'm delighted. So the last thing I need is potatoes. And I've had these potatoes growing in bags now since April, May, June, July, so 4 months. They have flowered and the flowers have died back. The leaves haven't died back, but I'm just going to take them out anyway. But what I'm delighted with on here, true potato seeds. How fabulous is that? I'm loving that. I'll definitely be taking them and working out what to do with them. You can't eat them, they are poisonous. We'll be googling how to look after them and how to plant them. So I'm just going to take them off just now and then I'm going to open that bag up and see if we've got any potatoes. I'm just going to cut the potato leaves off first, make my life easier. And they can all get put back in the composter. Right, potatoes, don't let me down. There's not enough in this bag for dinner. I will open another one. Double excitement, please. I don't see any. I see plenty of worms. Oh, I see a potato. I do see a potato. Oh gosh. Right, we're just going to go for this one potato that we can see in itself. Oh, that's right. I planted, was it Albert Bartlett Rooster red potatoes? Oh my god. I think I put 3 in the bag. Well, they're quite small. Oh dear, this isn't looking good. Oh dear, I'm guessing I should have left them for longer. People were me. Well, it started now. There's another red. Oh, there's a couple here. Another one there. Earlies. Red ones. How cool. Give me potatoes, please. Ooh! Oh wow. Well, we're going to be okay for dinner tonight. I won't need to open another bag. Look at that one. Beautiful. What a beautiful potato. My pot's too small now. And I'm sure there was another one. A little one. I can't remember how many I planted in the bag. Oh my god! Oh wow! Oh, that's awesome! Oh, look how healthy they look. Many more potatoes. Many more potatoes. Come on, potatoes. No, I think we've had it. I think we're done. Oh, look at that! Here is tonight's dinner. Carrot, parsnip, beetroot. We've got loose leaf lettuce, spinach and pak choy in the greenhouse for our salad on the side. And all these greens will go back in the composter. Oh, I'm so happy. So what I'm going to do now very quickly is take all the stalks off, especially the carrots, because I've left the stalks on them before and within a couple of hours the carrots had almost dehydrated because the stalks were still sucking the juices out the carrots. So I'm going to snip off the tops, give them a wee wash. Put all these greens back into the composter. There we go. there's another potato. How did I miss that? Oh well. I better get my gloves on and have a look. Hang on. How on earth did I miss? Oh, for goodness sake! How on earth did I miss that? That must be the original. Bit there. Right. Jeez, oh. Oh look, oh this is ridiculous. What an idiot. It's come to an all-time low when you're raking your composter for potatoes. Oh dear. Look at that. How did the earth could I have missed them? For goodness sake, that just shows you. What an idiot. Thank you very much for joining me again this week. Had a lot of fun digging up those vegetables and was really surprised at how big they were. A like and a subscribe to the channel would be absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much. Catch you next week. Bye!